Okay, students. Our next lecture is SST. We have done unit number 1 long question and short question in our previous lectures. And in tomorrow we also done the words meanings that have been taken from your readings. I hope all of you learn your previous works. Now we start the work pages of these chapters. All the students open your SST books. Open page number 10. Open your SST books, open page number 10. In page number 10, our first activity is the fill in the blanks with correct answer is MCQs. Now I read the first MCQs. The physical attributes and features of Earth are called dash. Physical attributes and features. Then I write the definition of landforms. You can see that this is the definition of landforms. The physical attributes and features of Earth are called dash. Option number A is cloud. Option number B is landforms, and option number C is rivers. Now I write the correct answer. First we had done MCQs. First one is the correct answer of first MCQs is landforms. You can take the landforms on your books. Landforms. You can take the landforms in your books. The correct answer of first MCQ is landform. Is it clear? After completing the work, I will check your books. The second one is a body of water that is mostly surrounded by land is called dash. वो जगह जहां पर पानी जमीन के इर्द गिर्द मोस्टली तौर पर हम पानी को देखते हैं, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Option number 1 is Iceland. Option number B is plateau. Option number C is bay. The correct answer of these MCQs is bay. You tick the bay on your books. Now come to the next MCQs. The third one is a dash is a natural stream of water that flows into the sea or lake. Natural stream of water कौन सा है? जो कि lakes और समुद्र और seas में गिरता है. The option of these, option number 1 is river, option number 2 is valleys, option number 3 is mountains. The correct answer of this MCQs is river. You take the river on your books. Next, the fourth one is the most famous mountain range in Asia is the dash. In this MCQs, we tell the name of famous mountain range that are found in Asia. Option number A is Rocky Mountain. Option number B is Atlas Mountain. Option number C is Himalayas Mountain. The correct answer of this MCQs is Himalayas Mountain. I hope all of you understand. And also note down this on your books. After completing this work, I will check your books. Himalayas Mountain. The correct answer of this MCQ is Himalayan Mountain. Next one is an area where river flows out into the sea is called. We tell the name of area where the river flows. Option number A is valley. Option number B is Pennsylvania. Option number C is delta. The correct answer of 5 MCQs is delta. Tick the Option number C, delta. I hope all of you understand. Again, I revise the answer of this. You take landforms in first MCQs, day in second MCQs, river in third MCQs, Himalayan mountain in fourth MCQs, delta in fifth MCQs. I hope all the students have done this. Now our second question is true or false. Question number 2 is true or false. We take in front of those sentences that are true and we cross in front of those sentences that are false. First one is, in the desert it is cool during the day and hot during the night. In first cross is, डेजर्ट सहरा में दिन के वक्त बहुत ठंड होती है और रात के वक्त बहुत गर्मी होती है. नो, इट्स नॉट ट्रू. इन डेजर्ट्स द डे इज वेरी हॉट एंड द नाइट इज वेरी कूल. सो आवर फर्स्ट क्रॉस इज क्रॉस. The first one is cross. In first box, you cross because in deserts the daytime is very hot and the night time is very cool. Second one is dunes from many shapes because of the wind movement. When there is wind flowing, the dunes, the shape of dunes have been changed. So our second MCQ is tick cross is tick. In front of second tuples, you tick the box because it's true. Now come to the third. The third one is the Sahara Desert is in South America. Sahara Desert South America में मौजूद है. No, it's wrong. Sahara Desert is in Africa. The third one is cross because Sahara Desert is in Africa. Okay, I hope all of you understand and also complete your book work pages. Then number 4 is desert plants have short roots. The plants that have been grown in deserts have short roots. No, it's not right. The plants that you see in deserts have long roots. Number 4 is cross because the desert plants have long roots. Next one is camels are used as transport in the desert. In different areas, different peoples are used for transportation, but in desert, we use mostly camel for transportation because in desert is a sandy area and camel can easily move in sand. So camels are mostly used for transportation in desert areas. So our number 5 statement is true. Is it clear? First statement is wrong. Second statement is true. Third one is cross. Number 4 is cross. And number 5 is true. I hope all of you understand. And also note down. Now students, our third question is, look at the third question. Collect the information about the 5 rivers in Pakistan. Write 2 lines about each of them. In your books, there are given the name of 5 rivers. 5 rivers in Pakistan. Student, question number 3 is your H work. This is activity you have done by yourself. You can write this as work on your SST copies. First make a heading of Ravi, the name of first river Ravi. Then write 2 lines about the river of Ravi. Okay students, question number 3 is your H work. You can done this by yourself. Try to do this. I will check your H work at tomorrow. Okay students. Now come to the next page, page number 11. In this page, you show that the pictures. First picture is waterfall. The second one is hills. The third one is mountains. The fourth one is valleys. And their names, first is valley, second is waterfall, third one is hills, and the fourth one is mountains. Students, we can match these pictures with their correct name. Okay. Now start matching. The first picture is waterfall. Match, and this is waterfall. Match this with waterfall. This is waterfall. I hope all of you seen. First picture is waterfall. I match this with waterfall. Is it clear? The second picture is hills. I match this with hills. Is it clear? I hope all of you seen this and also note down in your books. The third one is, you see in the third picture is mountains. And I match these pictures with mountain. Is it clear? I hope all of you also note down this on your books. The last picture is, in this last picture we see that there is shown valleys, greenery. And I match this picture with valley. Is it clear? First picture is, again I revise this column matching. First picture is waterfall. Second picture is hills. Third one is mountain. And the last one is valleys. Is it clear? I hope all the students matching the columns easily. It's very easy, student. Before starting our next page, first I check these 2 pages. Students, show me your books. Have you done your work? Have all the students complete this? Now students, open your book, page number 12. I raise the board and start the next work page. Open your books at page number 12. Page number 12 is this. You can fulfill these give name a few landforms in Pakistan. We write the names of few landforms that we have been seen in Pakistan. First one is hills. First one is hills. In first, we write the names of hills that we have been found in Pakistan. Margla Hills in Islamabad. I hope all the students know about Margla Hills that have been found in Islamabad. In first, we write the name of hills that we have been found in Pakistan. First one is Margla Hills. Note down this on your books. Next one is Kirthar Hills. First one is Margla Hills. Next one is Kirthar Hills. And third one is Murray Hills. And third one is Murray Hills. In this work page, we write the names of hills that have been found in Pakistan. First one is Marbla Hills. Next one is Kirthar Hills. And third one is Murray Hills. Is it right? I hope all of you understand and also note down this in your books. Now I write the next one. Next one is mountains. The next one is mountains. Now I write the name of mountains that we have been seen in Pakistan, in the different parts of Pakistan. The first mountain is K2. Okay, it's very important, very highest mountain. The first mountain is K2. And the second one is Rakaposhi. Rakaposhi is also name of mountain. The name of first mountain is K2. The name of second mountain is Rakaposhi. And the name of third mountain is Naga Parbat. These three are name of mountains that have been found in Pakistan. K2, Rakaposhi, and Naga Parbat. I hope all the students note down these in your book. The third one is rivers. Now we write the name of rivers that have been found in Pakistan. Now I write the name of rivers. First one is Chenab. Second one is Satluj. Third one is Indus. And the last one is Jehlam. Okay, students. These are the names of rivers that have been found in Pakistan. Chenab, Satluj, Jehlam, Indus, Jehlam. Okay, clear? I hope all of you understand and also note down this on your book. Now, our next heading is lakes. Lakes mean jhilein. In this, we write the name of lakes that have been found in Pakistan. First one is Atabad Lake. Atabad Lake मतलब Atabad झील. Atabad Lake. Second one is Lake Saiful Maluk. Lake Saiful Maluk. Okay, is it clear? First one is Atabad Lake. Second one is Lake Saiful Maluk. These two lakes are found in Pakistan. I hope all the students note down this on your books. Now, The next one is delta. Delta. Now I write the name of delta that have been found in Pakistan. Indus River lies at Katy boundary near Karachi. Okay, students. Delta. We have seen the delta in Pakistan. In Indus River lies at Katy boundary. Boundary means bandargah. Indus River lies at Katy boundary at Karachi. In Karachi, near bandargah of Indus River, we find delta. Okay, is it clear? I hope all of you understand and also note down this on your books. Now I write the next one, plateaus. The next one is plateaus. Now I write the name of plateaus that we have been found in Pakistan. First one is Balochistan Plateau. First one is Balochistan Plateau. And the next one is Potwar Plateau. First one is Balochistan Plateaus. And the next one is Potwar Plateau. Students, again I revise this. Again I revise this. The first one is write the name of hills. First is Markla Hills, Kirtha Hills, and Murray Hills that we have been seen in Pakistan. Next, we write the name of mountains, Ketu, Rakaposhi, Naga Parbat. Is it clear? The third one is rivers, Chenab, Satluj, Indus, Jehla. Is it clear? I hope all the students note down this. Next one is lakes, Ata Abad Lake and Lake Shafal Malu. Is it clear? Next one is delta. Indus River lies at Katy boundary near Karachi. Okay, we find delta in Indus River lies Katy boundary in Karachi at the bandargah. Next one is plateaus, Balochistan Plateau and Potwar Plateau. Okay, students, is it clear? I hope all the students note down this. Now I write the diary. Our SST today. Now I write the diary. Lesson number 1. Work page 10 plus 11 plus 12 is Siva clan. Page number 10. Page number 10. Question number 3 is H word. On page number 10. Question number 3. Again, I see you. Question number 3 is this. These are the name of 5 rivers. You can write 2 lines about 5 rivers. You can done this as work on your SST copies. I hope all the students have done their works. Now show me your books. Have you completed? I hope all of you note down our SST today's work and also note down the diary. Page number 10, question number 3 is your H word. There is the name of 5 rivers. You can write the information about these rivers. You write the information at least in 2 lines. Okay. I hope all of you understand that. Also note down our today's work. This class time is over now. After 5 minutes, you can again join the meetings. In next class, we have done our IS works. Okay, student, take care.